This is the Mitel MyVoice 5360 IP phone. The 5360 is a full-featured phone that provides a large color touchscreen display, 48 programmable keys, and superior sound quality with wideband audio. It is the ideal phone for executives, managers, or contact center supervisors. This phone also features dual embedded gigabit Ethernet ports as well as an HDMI toolkit for desktop applications. Included with the Mitel 5360 is the phone base, handset cord, and line cord. Here at Atlas Phones, we have over 40,000 square feet of telecom inventory and offer same-day shipping on orders placed by 5 p.m. Each of our products include a 1-year warranty with extended warranty options available for up to 5 years. We've been helping people in business since 1998, and we hope this video helped you too. You can give us a call today at 888-567-5194 or visit our website www.atlasphones.com.